Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video ay isi-share ko naman sa inyo yung pinapasa ko na requirements for my UK tourist visa. So, since my husband is a British, so meron po tayong sponsor dito. So, my sponsor is my husband. So, yung sponsor din natin ay may requirements din tayong ipapasa. So, first ay ang passport bio page. Yung may photo na mukha nila, kailangan mo yun ipa-photocopy. Second is stamp pages. Yung mga stamp pages na yun is yung may stamp na kung kailan siya nag-travel dito sa Pilipinas. Second is birth certificate. Third is invitation letter. And then fourth is notarized affidavit of support. Panglima naman is ang proof of employment. Yung proof of employment na kailangan nila ay employment contract, company ID, payslip. Is the proof of accommodation. Yung proof of accommodation is like a contract ng, if nag-rent kayo, contract nyo ng, anong tawag na nun? Ng landlord nyo or anything. Or proof of maybe titulo ng house if they own the house. For me naman as applicant, ang number one is application form. So, meron po kayong fill up ng mga form na ipapasa nyo. Tapos, passport bio page, yung may mukha po ninyo dun sa passport, yun po yung ipa-photocopy nyo. Tapos, passport sized photo, PSA birth certificate, PSA marriage certificate, NBI clearance, proof of employment. So, yung mga proof of employment ko is leave of absence, payslip, employment certificate. Is proof of relationship. Number one is yung wedding photos nyo. If hindi pa kayo kasal din, photos together na lang po. Especially like with the family. Dapat genuine po yung mga photos na ilalagay natin. Tapos, chats, dapat i-ano din nyo, screenshots. But, wag nyo po i-screenshot yung nag-aaway kayo kasi baka hindi po ma-approve, hindi genuine yung hindi genuine yung relationship pag nabasa nila. So, dapat yung mga sweet lang. And then, money remittance, dapat kailangan din yung kung kailan siya nag-start ng bigay ng money sa'yo, kailangan dun din mag-start ang screenshot. Tapos, until the end, dapat lahat. And then, travel itineraries, yung mga travel documents nyo like hotel receipt, travel ticket. Then, second to the last is proof of funds, bank certificate, bank statement. Last but not the least, cover letter. So, dito naman sa cover letter, since meron po kaming, kumuha po kami ng agency para mag-help po sa amin mag-process ng visa, may binigay po yung ang agency namin na sample, tapos inedit lang namin, tapos binigay namin ulit sa kanila. Tapos, I think may inedit din sila para to make it sure that it's, na ma-approve po yung letter namin. So, may nakalimutan akong sabihin. Video call chat din. Kailangan ka din mag-screenshot ng video call chat nyo kasi makakatulong yun. So, yun lang. Lahat ng binabanggit ko po ay yun po lahat yung pinapasa namin sa VFS. Yes, on my biometric day. So, wala namang problema on that day. Tapos, sabi nila 10 to 15 days lang yung waiting, but then I think hindi inabot ng 10 days dumating na yung visa ko. Yun lang. Thank you for watching. Po, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you.